I'm doing this again. Guys, not only did I get my Vicious Bee, but now I'm gonna get the Gummy Bee in the same day. In the same day. I have 2,500 gumdrops. You know what that means? You guys know what that means? You guys know what that means? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear him. I put his volume up to 200%. Alright. Combine 200. Combine 200 and 2,500 gumdrops into a gummy bee. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Hit E. Whoa, let's go! Let's go! Oh my gosh. Me 2 years ago, me 2 years ago when I was playing this game would have never expected me to get this good. Alright, I'm hatching it, y'all. Hatch gummy bee. This is a dream come true. This is legit a dream come true, bro. Oh my god. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Alright, we're leveling it up. Hopefully I can level it up to substantial. Yeah. Why? Hold on. Let me get some more treats real quick. Let's just listen to this banger. When the gummy bee are drippy? Drippy gummy bee?
When the gummy bee are drippy?
Level 8 gummy bee. Oh! Let's go, guys. Let's test it out. Wait. Actually, no. I'll test it out on my own. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, guys, what he said. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.